Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making something slightly different, and that is a sparkling mint espresso. It's just here. Here's one I made earlier. I'll bring it over to the camera for you to see. So you've got the mint on the top, you've got the espresso, you've got the sparkling water, got the mint flavouring in there as well. It's an amazing, cool summer drink. If you want to learn how to make it for yourself, watch the video and enjoy. Okay, so we're going to put together the sparkling mint espresso. So I have my espresso shot here that I prepared earlier. I've got mint syrup. I've used the clear one rather than the green one. And we've got fresh mint, just at the back there. We've got sparkling water, we've got ice, and importantly the cocktail shaker. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop some ice into the cocktail shaker. I'm going to move that as well, and we're going to add our espresso shot. There we go. We're going to add the mint, just a normal couple of pumps of mint. We're going to keep a couple of nice looking pieces to dress the glass after, and then we're going to put the rest of the mint. I'm going to give it a bit of a break up. I'm just going to do it roughly by hand rather than chop. There we go. We'll pop that in. Nice authentic taste. Okay, and we're ready to go. Okay, so next step, we get our glass and we're going to fill it about 3/4 with ice. Okay, and then get the shaker. You can see there the mint and everything, so we're just going to take the top off of the shaker so that we've got the spout and it's got the holes in the top there so that we don't end up with all the bits of mint. And we're just going to pour this in nicely. There we go. So the next thing to do is get the sparkling water. And we just fill it to the top. There we go. And we're going to dress it with a nice piece of mint there. Perfect. And there we have it. One mint sparkling espresso. And here we have it in a bit more detail. So you can see as I spin round, how cool does that look? That is amazing. I think it looks more like cocktail than coffee, but there we are. There's a piece of mint on the top. Perfect. I guess it's time for the taste test to see what this one was like. I'll give you a little bit more of a close-up. There we are. You can see the colour gradient there. You can see a bit of crema mixed in the top with the sparkling water. A sprig of mint. Let's give it a try. Oh, that is incredible. So refreshing. Really, really refreshing. That's amazing. That gives you a real hit of coffee, real hit of mint. Beautiful. So have a go yourselves. I mean, if you like it, you like the look of it, give it a try. Let me know in the comments how it went. Let me know if there's anything that I can do to improve it. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think, and like and subscribe for more. But thank you so much for watching.